Hello, I'm Christina Tankersley, and I've been a project management professional since 2007 and worked with Excel for over 20 years.
And I'm Barbara Evers, and I'm excited to find out how I can use Excel for project management.
So we know that Excel is a database, right? We can capture information in Excel. And what I like to do is I have several templates that I use throughout the planning process that we refer to when we go into the execution of a project. And I like to have them in one file.
That would be wonderful.
What that helps us do is every time we sit down to have a conversation, I can bring up that one file, and then as there's information to populate, I can just go ahead and go to the appropriate template and then enter that information in. The first thing that we want to create is a charter. A charter is basically an agreement that, yes, this is a project, this is what we know about it at this point, it's usually pretty broad, and this is who the project manager is. But there's some other fields that typically companies will create in order to make that agreement.